welcome to our next DIY culinary challenge. Today we're going to show you some quick and easy smoothie recipes to make those back to school mornings a little bit quicker. We may even throw in a secret ingredient or two. Okay, so the first smoothie we're going to make is a strawberry banana smoothie. And for all smoothies, it's important to remember the 2-to-1 ratio. You want 2 cups of frozen ingredients to 1 cup liquid. But you also want to make sure you add your liquids first, then anything you're going to add in between, like your spinach or your yogurt, and then your frozen fruits last. And we use frozen fruits so we don't have to use ice. If you have fresh fruits, just make sure you add some ice in there as well. We're going to have 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And we're going to pour that in first. Next, we are going to do 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I grabbed vanilla yogurt, that's just what we have. We're going to add that to our blender. You do just a squirt of honey for just a little sweetness. And now it's time for our spinach, which is our secret ingredient for this one. Kids won't even know it or taste that it's there. Then I have both 1 cup of strawberries and bananas. We're going to add those in to the top. Then we're going to make sure our lid is secure. So you want to make sure that you start slow and then increase your speed as you go. And that'll just make sure that everything is nice and smooth and blended. And make sure you bring it back down to the slow speed before you turn it off. We're going to turn it on. And gradually increase the speed. You can check it, and if it needs any more liquid for your liking, you can add more liquid. Or if it's where you like it, you can go ahead and pour it into your first glass. Right, so the next one we're going to make is a mixed fruit smoothie. So in the bowls I have our strawberries and bananas again, but I also have a bowl of blueberries, sliced peaches, and mangoes. Everything that was in this bowl came in from a already frozen bag. These ones I cut up fresh, so you can do whichever one you would like to do. But we're going to start off with our milk again. Cup of the yogurt. Just a squirt of honey. spinach. And here, if you wanted to add any like chia seeds or protein powder, this is where you would add that. And then our frozen fruits. Again, starting at the slowest speed and moving to the fastest, we're going to blend this up. So as you can see, they got a little thick and it's not moving enough. That just means that we need to add a little bit more liquid. Carefully take the lid off. And just add some more of the almond milk. Again, carefully making sure that it's all the way on. So we can check that again. If it's to your desired consistency, you can pour it in the glass. If not, you can always do the same thing, add a little bit more milk. The last one we're going to make is a peanut butter green smoothie. So again, we're going to start with our almond milk. We need 1.5 cups of almond milk. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of dry roasted peanuts, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of spinach, and 2 cups of frozen bananas. Put our lid on and blend it up. Once it's all blended, take the lid off. I'm going to use a spoon just to check the consistency. Make sure that peanuts are blended. Then we can pour it and enjoy it. These are just 3 smoothies that you can make, but the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us for this DIY culinary challenge. We hope these smoothie options make breakfast on the go a little bit easier. Be sure to follow our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more virtual programming content.